Are you getting a message on your phone that says, "Settings keep stopping"? Today I will show you a way to fix the settings keep stopping message. The fix I am going to show you not only works for this problem, but is a common fix for most app problems. Hello and welcome to F1 Expat. My name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to check to see if your phone needs an update. Finding your way to the update page in your phone will depend on the manufacturer. We will be using a Samsung phone for this tutorial. If you have to update your phone, please make sure that your phone is fully charged, and make sure you have enough data on your phone or are connected to Wi-Fi before you update your device. Swipe down from the notification bar. Select the settings gear icon. Finding settings on your phone may be in different places, so you might have to spend a minute or two looking for it. Select Software Update. Update your phone. The next thing we will check for is updates for apps. Select Play Store. Select your profile image. Select Manage Apps and Devices. You may see a message here telling you what apps need updating. Update apps. Now that we have taken care of any update, we will focus on the problem. Swipe down from the notification bar. Select Settings gear icon. Select Apps. Select Settings. Select Storage. Select Data. Select Clear Data. Restart your phone. Your phone should be working now. Thank you for watching.